Okay, this morning is going to be very interesting. HBI had announced their earnings, and they suspended their dividends. In the past, I've talked about what kind of impact suspending the dividends would have, and that's pretty severe. So it will open up this morning around $7 a share, down from $8.50 or above, whatever it was. I have 20 contracts in with a strike price of $8. If it stays around $7, that's fine with me. It means I can cover more contracts. And I was working on my tax return, my favorite thing to do, this morning. And according to my broker, Robinhood, on the 1099, I have a capital gain of $9,564. Anyway, that's on the website. In fact, a snapshot of that 1099 is on my website. And that's for all the doubting Thomases who don't think this makes any money. So, and that didn't, I've got another, I think, $350 or more in dividends. I'll add that to that page a little later. That is taxed at ordinary income rate. The effect on my taxes will be that since I have a capital loss carry forward from 8 years ago, I'm still whittling it down. So basically my capital gains will be washed out with the capital loss carry forward. And also $3,000 of that capital loss carry forward can apply toward my ordinary income. But at any rate, 9,500, whatever it was, that represents a capital gain of nearly, a return on my investment of nearly 70%. I'm happy with that. But this morning, I have transferred some more cash into my Robinhood account. And once the market opens and I see what kind of impact this dividend suspension has on the contract market, I hope to be able to sell at least 3 more put contracts, hopefully $7 contracts. See how it works. And that's using the premium I received from the sale of the $8 puts on Monday. That cash is there available, and that'll cover one contract. And then I transferred another 1,000, and I get an instant deposit, whereas it takes 5 days for it to officially settle. I can transfer up to $10,000 and use it immediately. So anyway, I want to try to do that this morning. So this will be a good training exercise for everybody and be a little bit exciting. I know that the timing of this meeting it really sucks because most people have to be at work and they can't very well attend the meeting at work. Although it works, the link that was in the description and was in the newsletter, it should be good. It should work from your smartphone as well. So hopefully if you're in a position where you can tune in, that'd be great. But nevertheless, I record these things. And after some editing to try to cut out the dead time, and the bloopers and whatnot, I will post it on my YouTube channel. So this should be a video that's viewed a lot. But anyway, the reason the price goes down is HBI, because it had such a healthy dividend in terms of percentage of the share price, about 8%. It was held by a lot of institutions and funds, particularly if they're oriented toward income. When the dividend is suspended, they want to get out of Dodge and move their money to something that's still paying a dividend. So that'll have an impact today and tomorrow. After that, it'll settle out to whatever it's going to be. Remember, a month or 2 months ago, HBI closed as low as 580 something. So, and I was active selling options. Then I can't remember what my strike prices were, but anyway, it's remember, I do better as the stock price goes down because it takes less money to cover the puts. So we'll see how it goes this morning. I haven't had anybody join. On one of the meetings, I had one person join. But here again, I think that's because the time of the day sucks. But for what I'm trying to accomplish, that is show you what happens when the market opens. I have to be there when the market opens. But maybe the rest of you can learn something from these recorded videos on the YouTube channel. So, unless somebody comes online and has questions or input, I'm just going to sit here and wait for the market to open and then pick it up from there. Okay. The market is opening. It will be interesting to see. The big drop in HBI occurred in after hours trading. So we'll see what it does now. All right. So it's off $1.30, which that's fine with me. It's been lower. Let's see what the calls are selling for. I'm going to try to get an order in. The share price is dropping now. So I'm going to put in an order. Three contracts. But I'm going to anticipate it's going to drop more. I want to go more than that. I'm going to go 40. Oops. Wrong one. Okay. Well, that's not as attractive as I would like. I think what I'm going to do is, and I do this rarely, but I think this time I'm going to just buy the stock outright. I'm going to put it at 705. $300 shares. Okay. Well, that's done. Okay. We will see what we will see. This event, suspension of dividend, has preempted any other subject matter I may have had in this meeting, in this video. I'm going to stop the meeting so I can update all this information to my website so it goes out to everybody who follows it. And I don't want to delay that. And since I've got nobody joining the meeting, I'm going to hope that nobody comes in late and wonders where we went.